Hello, I'm going to show you why and how I make recordings for my online classes. I recommend you to use Screencast-O-Matic because it's free and it's very easy to use. How I use my recordings? For lecturing, I record my PowerPoint presentations or the screen. I can record flipping tasks, I can give feedback and introductions, and sometimes I'm in contact with my students with recording. So it's a good way for engaging, enhancing, and encouraging people. And it's a good way for collaboration also. So, where do I get Screencast-O-Matic? You just write screencast-o-matic.com and then you will launch the free recorder. It's available on Windows, Mac, Android, Chromebook, and so on. Here you can see the Screencast-O-Matic recorder. So you can record the screen, also the webcam picture, or both. You can also move the webcam picture so that it doesn't bother, for example, your presentation. Here you can see maximum time, normally it's 15 minutes. And here is the size. You can also check your microphone, computer audio, and there are also other preferences. What are my steps then? I start recording by clicking this recording button. Then I get countdown 3, 2, 1, go. Then I record. Then I stop recording by clicking again recorder button, and then it's done. I can listen it again or I can redo it. And with licensed version of Screencast-O-Matic, I can also editate it. Then it's time to upload and publish. There are many options for publishing it. Very often people can put it on video files on the computer, and then it's also good to check the type of the recording, give a name for it, and where to put it, in which folder, and so on. I will show you how I do it. I have my YouTube channel, and when I publish it, I give the title here because it's easier to find it. And then I put it unlisted before publishing it. My category is education and quality, normally it's normal. Then I publish it and then it goes to my YouTube channel. And here you can see my YouTube channel recordings. I use it, Screencast-O-Matic, almost every day for my language classes. Here you can see my Italian classes. There are videos concerning information, giving information. Also the Spanish version is my Spanish free. There is info for the students, and I put it public, and then you can see when I have done my recordings. So it's really easy to have your own channel. So what are your steps? First, launch the free Screencast-O-Matic recorder. You don't need especially the licensed version. You can do quite a lot with this free recorder. And then you create your own channel to YouTube. And of these two, you can find a link at the end of this presentation. Second steps are for the recording itself. Record your video, upload it on YouTube if you want to do it my way, and then you have to remember the title and put it unlisted before it goes to YouTube channel. When it's there, remember to put it public so that anyone needed can find it. So you just give the link for the colleague or students, and students can give it to you, and then they will easily find it when it's public. Remember, write the script. It helps your recording. Keep the recording quite short. I would recommend from 5 to 10 minutes, and practice. Here you can see the links for Screencast-O-Matic tutorial and how to create a channel. I hope this was helpful for you.